to see you. It is so nice in nature. I just love nature. And I'm here again. My name is Gwen. For those who don't know me and tune in for the first time, hi. I am Gwen, and I want to talk to you here regarding wellness, health, fitness. And this is an outlook to reach out to everyone who basically wants to hear something that has something to do with your optimal health. Okay, it is so nice out. I'm in nature, and today I like to make a comment about what I have experienced. And the reason why I want to talk about what I've experienced is that because I think it's very important. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is great. It is basically a natural herb oil that came from the part of the world that is Middle East or Northern Asia, Africa, and used for many things. Right now, I was told it basically is used for the seasoning for food. But during the ancient times, like Cleopatra, King Tut, and Africa, they used it for numerous things, like for health reasons, and for hair and beauty, skin. Cleopatra and Nefertiti were told or said to have done that a lot in using the black seed oil. The black seed oil is what basically I think helped me through this pandemic. I basically was taking it as a supplement that was given, and I took it every day. So there was a challenge. The challenge was that my son had the COVID, and while I was nursing him, I basically did not get any of the symptoms, and I don't think I was systematic, but I don't know. I think I might have had a little temperature. I think I felt maybe like a little temperature, but I didn't take my temperature. But that was it. So there's many great things that black seed oil does, and it basically boosts your immune system, and that's what it did for me. I take it every day, and in a supplement, as also as the oil, and it does give me the energy, the extra energy. It does give me the sound sleep. Those are the things that has given me over this period of time. I've been taking over a year. And it makes me feel a little clear-minded. It does that too. So if you want to clear your mind, or you feel like, you're forgetting things a lot, this might be what you could use that will clear that up for you. So there just is, no reason that I feel if you take something to boost your immune system that you will fall in between the cracks. And flaxseed oil did that for me. I did not, and I haven't had a cold in a number of months. During this winter season, I'm in a cold climate, like in Illinois, and I had a cold. It basically does clear your digestive system. It did that for me. So when you take it consistently, it can make you more regular as far as making it push out. And also, it makes you have that clarity that you need as far as getting up in the morning, and if you've had a nice sound sleep, then you feel like you are clear and you feel energetic. So it helps to do that. It did that for me too. But primarily, I think it's all around herb that really does work for your behalf as far as clearing your mind, clearing your skin. If you have eczema, it has done that. Clearing your internal organs, primarily your respiratory and your other parts of your respiratory, your heart. It gives you that is what you need. It basically kind of acts like an agent, and corrects things if it feels like it's something that is wrong with you. It goes in there and tweaks it like that. So I would strongly suggest that if you haven't tried yet, that you should use this as a daily supplement that is a vitamin, an herb that will basically take care of you. And you will have less or no joint problems, arthritis, anything like that. I basically walk like 4 miles a day, and I just feel great. And I contribute to the black seed oil. Black seed oil is what basically saved me from any kind of virus that I would have encountered by being around people or being around my son that had it. We were in close proximity, and it was like, if you were living with someone in your family that had it, most likely you would have gotten it. But if you had a strong immune system like I did, you wouldn't. So all I can say is that if it is that you haven't tried the black seed oil, please do. It is something that you really need to take knowledge of, and something you really need to have in your medicinal cabinets. Okay, so if you have any questions about the black seed oil, I've had questions about what is the capsules in. The capsules are vegan capsules. Anything else? There've basically been a lot of good testimonials about it. So why don't you have a good testimony and try it? And don't forget to let me know about what happened, or let everyone else know about the community of the black seed oil, know how great it is and how great it was for you. And we'll just share and just give, because that's what this channel is to share and give information that can help someone else have the optimal health that they should have. So I'm going to say, if it is that you haven't tried it and you think that you will, please do. In the meantime, I would like for you to definitely let me know, make a comment, hit the subscribe right here, and hit the bell right there so you can get the videos that will have more content about black seed oil and other things that will be good for your health. And I would like to see you again next time. Meanwhile, keep your head to the sky.